Okay, we're swapping out this little beauty, quite heavy, and it's held in with U brackets at the top, you can see them, and if you unscrew, it says device, doing that lowers the whole unit down, and what you do then, you lift up and it'll unhook from the rails. What's happened is, you can see that, this micro switch, now whether it's here, we've checked the system and everything, and it's possibly blown. We can go up and down, stop, no sorry, we can go down, stop, but not back up again, so it's stuck in that position. So this is a straightforward swap out. It comes complete with the plug already done for you, so very easy fix this one. Quite chuffed. Maybe have early day. So I'm just undoing the control box. This is the remote control box as well. It controls, you can do it remotely from a unit. Make sure the cables are free. Plugs into here. Very easy. Yeah, looking forward to putting the new one up.